Irritable bowel syndrome. In short, we call IBS, means irritable bowel syndrome. It is a common disorder that affects the large intestine. Signs and symptoms include cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and diarrhea or constipation or both. IBS is a chronic condition. Only a small number of people with IBS have severe signs and symptoms. Some people can control their symptoms by managing diet, lifestyle, and stress. More severe symptoms can be treated with medication and counseling. The cause of IBS is not known. It is functional disorder because there is no sign of disease when the colon is examined. The most likely culprits seem to be diet or emotional stress. Now let us discuss about signs and symptoms. The signs and symptoms vary, but most common include abdominal pain, cramping or bloating that is related to passing a bowel movement, changes in appearance of bowel movement, changes in how often you are having a bowel movement. IBS does not cause changes in bowel tissue or increase your risk of colorectal cancer. Now let us discuss about the homeopathic medicine for IBS. It helps to treat the symptoms of IBS, reducing their severity with time. Homeopathic medicine has no side effects and it cures permanently. I will discuss many medicines. In homeopathy, there are a lot of medicines for IBS, but I will discuss in short about the medicine. I will discuss that medicines which are effective in clinic or clinical trial. So please wait, I will back soon. By this time, please subscribe my channel, like, share. I will be back soon. Welcome back. Let us discuss the homeopathic medicine for the IBS. First medicine I will tell, that is Nux vomica 200. The prominent symptom of this medicine is the passage of a small quantity of stool or poop, very frequently with abdominal pain. The patient feels that constant urge to pass stool. The abdominal pain is relieved for a very short time after stool. But the pain in abdomen and desire for stool begins soon after stool expulsion. This is most of the times accompanied by a distended abdomen after eating. The popular food that worsens the condition is spicy food, coffee, and alcoholic drinks. The worsening of the condition after anger is also important. Now let us discuss the second medicine, that is Aloes 30. There is urge to pass stool soon after eating or drinking anything. Aloes helps in regularizing the intestinal movement and put them under normal limit, since they are at increased pace in patients with IBS. Patient rushes to the toilet for stool soon after eating or drinking anything, and the stool is loose and may be accompanied by passage of a large quantity of gas. In a few persons, mucus may be expelled along with the stool. The patient also experiences pain in the abdomen before and during the stool. The abdominal pain vanishes after passing stool. Now the third medicine, that is Alumina 200. IBS with constipation. In this medicine, constipation is very important. The constipation of the most obstinate kind. The intestines work at a very slow pace in such a patient. The stool remains in the rectum for many days without any urge to pass the stool. The stool is expelled out by putting much strain. The stool may be hard or soft, but passage of stool is difficult with much effort in both cases. Potatoes seem to be the most intolerable food for the patients. Now fourth medicine, that is Carbo-Veg 30. In Carbo-Veg 30, the symptom is the patient complains of a heavy and tense abdomen soon after eating. Even the simplest kind of food seems to worsen the condition. The passage of gas or belching provides slight relief. The patient may also complain of acidity with burning stomach. This is accompanied by frequent loose stool of an offensive order. Cramping pain in the abdomen may be also present. Now fifth medicine, that is Lycopodium 200. The abdomen feels full of distended gas, fills with abdomen, alternate diarrhea and constipation. The patient's condition gets worse by taking food that usually leads to gas formation like cabbage. The patient desires very hot food and drinks and also sweets. Now the sixth medicine is Bloating 30. In Irritable bowel syndrome, there is a diarrhea with gushing stool, urging for stool soon after eating or drinking, watery stool, copious stool, weakness after passing stool. Now seventh medicine, Podophyllum 200. In Irritable bowel syndrome, there is a diarrhea with gushing stool. The medicine is prescribed where the attendant feature include profuse and slight putrid offensive stool, fetid flatus, diarrhea that worsens after eating fruits. Now the eighth medicine is Dionia alba 30. It is another significant medicine for IBS with constipation and dry, large, hard stool. The stool is excessively dry as if burned. Burning in anus on passing stool may be observed. There is headache from constipation. Now the ninth medicine is Colocin 30. Colocin is very good medicine for the pain abdomen. IBS with loose stool with abdominal cramps, eating or drinking in a small quantity leads to cramping. Bending double or pressure over abdomen may provide relief in the pain. Stools are watery, yellow and frothy and attended with the passage of flatulence. Now the 10th medicine is China 30. IBS with weakness and weight loss from chronic diarrhea. The diarrhea is painless. Person in need this medicine have a chronically loose stool, marked flatus and bloated abdomen with pain. Pain is not relieved by repetition or passing the gas. Now the 11th medicine is Pulsatilla 200. In this medicine, taking milk or milk products worsen the complaint. Symptoms include rumbling in abdomen, flatulence, bitter taste in the mouth, belching that tastes like ingesta and inchangeable stool. These symptoms worsen upon consuming milk. Now the 12th medicine, that is Argentum Nitricum 200. IBS with marked diarrhea in people with chronic anxiety. Such persons have marked anticipatory anxiety levels. Anticipatory anxiety means anxiety arising from overthinking about events that are to take place in the future. Anxiety also appears every time they have to appear in the public, crowds or in public meetings. The anxiety results in diarrhea with frequent stools. Such persons are impatient by nature and do everything in hasty. So that was the medicines or 12 medicines for IBS. I think the video you liked my video. If you like my video, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.